Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here to take you into something. That monstrosity. Yeah, that's called CitrusTower here in Clermont, Florida. It goes way up. I'm going to try and get some pictures and show you what all this building here is about. Maybe there's a museum downstairs, who knows? We're going to go inside, because you just entered the Coolest Life Travel Edition. And look at that, on the door inside the elevator is this says it was opened in July of '56, 226 feet tall. You can see about 35 miles on the horizon. Tower contains 5 million pounds of concrete. Nice. See a little depiction of it there. How about that? CitrusTower. And just as you come out, it's a huge lake over there. That's Clermont. Is actually that way. Downtown Clermont is. There's a view from the top of the tower. It's really neat. That's looking south, down there toward Magic Kingdom and different things. I believe it's all that direction. This is the US Highway 27 here. Haines City, Lake Wales, all that is down that direction. Up here you could definitely see the fireworks going off at Magic Kingdom from here. Atlantic Ocean, Cape Kennedy's that direction. 60 miles. It looks like you could possibly see parts of Orlando way out that way. Where's it at? That's it, way out there. It's a pretty cool guy tower. We were going to come here a couple days ago, but it was raining. A lot of overcast and fog, and we just didn't figure you could see too much then. Stores and everything. Used to be a lot of orange groves here. That's why they built this tower, from what I gather. You could oversee all the orange groves. All different sides. Interesting. Good place to study. There's actually 2 people up here studying for like college classes or something. Well, they've got different signs here that tells you this is Disney World. It says right there, Disney World's 5 miles that way, 15 miles that way. Ooh, I hate to take the stairs, that's for sure. Not much to see inside. Orlando, 23 miles. Atlantic Ocean. Kind of neat. Costs you about $10 a person to get up here. They give you, I think just $11, but they give you a discount if you're military, senior citizen, blah, blah. They got all kinds of different discounts. AAA. You can check with them when you come in. I think it's only about $1 or $2 off. But pretty neat. Well, so here we are against this wall because we got arrested. Okay, so maybe we didn't get arrested. But we're outside because we're at the lighting of this CitrusTower. And it's going to go on in just a few minutes. And that's the tower, so we're here at night, and the kids are yelling like crazy. But we're going to see what else they got here. Maybe we'll do some filming of it, of the festivities that they have here every year when they do the official lighting of the tower.
Get ready for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hold your breath. Make a wish. Moon is right.
Video of the other side of it, kind of away from all the crowd and everything, but it's kind of cool. They will leave it lit up. I don't know if they're just gonna do this the whole time it's lit up, but I think that they just put a standard timer on it or something. Anyway, that's Citrus Tower. Lighting ceremony. I had no idea it was going to be the day that we came here for the tour, but lucked out on that one, huh? Sometimes you're just living right. And I hope you enjoyed the visit to the Citrus Tower here in Clermont, Florida. It was pretty cool. It's $10 to get in, so I guess it's $11. It's pretty interesting to just go in and see the tower and come back down, learn a little bit of history, because this has been here an awful long time. Actually, they show pictures of where there was nothing but orchards around here, and it's far from orchards now. In fact, there's a Publix about 100 yards that way, and a main road 27 right there, which is about 50 yards that way. But a very busy place now, thriving community. So if you get a chance, come down and see the Citrus Tower. Highly recommend it, because they almost share the same parking lot as the President's Hall of Fame. Check out that other video. I'll post it somewhere up in here. But be sure to check it out. I'm gonna let you go, because I need to get back out here living the coolest life. Travel edition.